Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mesh routers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're tired of dead zones, slow speeds, or just want to future-proof your home network, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the TP-Link Deco XE75 Pro. This is a tri-band Wi-Fi 6E mesh system that brings cutting-edge technology to your home network. It covers up to 5,500 square feet and offers true tri-band speeds with the addition of a 6 GHz band, making it ideal for homes with high bandwidth needs. The standout feature here is the 2.5G WAN LAN port, which is perfect for users with gigabit plus internet plans who want to maximize their broadband speed. In terms of design, the XE75 Pro is sleek and compact, blending into any modern home aesthetic. Its AI-driven mesh ensures consistent performance by learning user behavior and dynamically optimizing the network. However, with only 2 units in this pack, the coverage area is slightly smaller compared to other 3-pack options in this list. Despite that, the performance is stellar, especially for gamers and households with a multitude of devices. The main drawback is the price. It's not the most affordable option, especially considering it's a 2-pack. But for those seeking premium features like Wi-Fi 6E, a dedicated 6 GHz band, and a multi-gig port, this router is a worthy investment. It's best suited for small to medium homes looking to future-proof their network for next-gen devices. At number 4, we have the TP-Link Deco X20, an affordable Wi-Fi 6 mesh system that covers up to 5,800 square feet. This is a great mid-range option for families looking to upgrade their home network without breaking the bank. With Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, the Deco X20 offers faster speeds, higher efficiency, and the ability to connect up to 150 devices simultaneously. For homes loaded with smart devices, this router delivers stable and reliable performance. The design is simple and understated, featuring compact units in a clean white finish. Each device has 2 Ethernet ports, and they support wired backhaul, which is a great feature for ensuring faster speeds in larger homes. The inclusion of parental controls and the Deco app makes setup and management incredibly easy, even for non-tech-savvy users. While the X20 is a solid performer, it's not ideal for heavy gamers or users with gigabit internet plans, as its AX 1800 speed rating is slightly lower than other models. However, at $129.99, it offers great value for users who just need stable, efficient Wi-Fi coverage for everyday activities like streaming, browsing, and smart home automation. Coming in at number 3 is the TP-Link Deco S4, our budget option in this lineup. Priced at just $89.99, this mesh AC 1900 Wi-Fi system is a fantastic choice for small homes or apartments. With coverage of up to 5,500 square feet, the Deco S4 eliminates dead zones and provides seamless Wi-Fi for up to 100 devices. It's perfect for anyone looking for affordable, no-frills mesh Wi-Fi performance. The design is simple, with cylindrical units that come in a clean white finish. Each unit has 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, and the system supports wired backhaul for improved speeds. The Deco app makes setup effortless, and compatibility with Alexa adds convenience for voice-controlled network management. However, the Deco S4 lacks some advanced features found in higher-end models, such as Wi-Fi 6 support or a tri-band setup. Its AC 1900 speeds are sufficient for everyday tasks like streaming and browsing, but may struggle with bandwidth-intensive activities like 4K gaming or large file uploads. Despite this, the Deco S4 remains an excellent choice for users on a tight budget who simply need solid, reliable Wi-Fi coverage. At number 2, we have the TP-Link Deco X55, a Wi-Fi 6 mesh system that offers excellent performance and flexibility. Covering up to 6,500 square feet, the X55 delivers AX 3000 speeds and supports up to 150 devices, making it ideal for larger homes or small offices. With AI-driven mesh technology, The X55 learns your network environment to provide optimal coverage and performance. The design is modern and compact, featuring units in black and white that blend well into any home decor. Each unit has 3 gigabit Ethernet ports, giving you plenty of options for wired connections. The inclusion of TP-Link's Home Shield security suite adds an extra layer of protection, making this router suitable for families concerned about cybersecurity. One downside is the lack of a price listing, but based on its features, the X55 presents a strong value proposition for users needing broad coverage and reliable speeds. It's a great choice for households with multiple users and devices, especially those looking for a balance between price and performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the TP-Link Deco XE75 AXE5400 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6E Mesh System. This premium option is packed with features that make it the best mesh router for most people. Covering up to 7,200 square feet and delivering speeds of up to 5,400 megabits per second, the XE75 is perfect for large households, gamers, and those with bandwidth-intensive needs. The inclusion of a 6 GHz band eliminates interference from legacy devices, providing the ultimate performance for Wi-Fi 6E compatible devices. The design is sleek and modern, with compact units that don't take up much space. Setup is straightforward with the Deco app, and the AI-driven mesh ensures seamless roaming and optimized performance across all nodes. The XE75 also includes TP-Link's Home Shield security suite for network protection and parental controls. The only downside here is the price. It's the most expensive option on this list. However, for users who want the best of the best in terms of speed, coverage, and future-proofing, the Deco XE75 is worth every penny. It's ideal for large homes or anyone looking to maximize their internet experience with next-gen technology. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.